Hello bachcho, let us read the question. Each edge of a cube contains a capacitance C. The equivalent capacitance between the points A and B will be. So equivalence capacitance हमें find करना है और हमें पता है कि capacitance जब series में होते हैं तो that will we will use as a key concept. When capacitance in series 1 by equivalence capacitance is equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 and so on. And how many capacitance are placed in series? So they will be added as the reciprocal of individual capacitance. And when they are in parallel, so the equivalence capacitance will be C1 plus C2 and so on. So we will use over here this two formula. चलिए देखते हैं. In this diagram हम देखते हैं यहाँ A और B के पॉइंट्स के बीच में हमें कैपेसिटेंस फाइंड करना है. सो अगर हम A पॉइंट से पैरेलल कनेक्शन देखें तो हम देख रहे हैं 3 ब्रांचेस हैं, ये और ये. सो आई विल जस्ट गिव द पॉइंट ओवर हियर P. ये यहाँ पर पॉइंट हो गया P और यहाँ से A से जो हमें पॉइंट मिल रहा है P. ठीक है, A टू P जो है 3 पैरेलल कैपेसिटर्स हैं. करेक्ट. तो उनके हर एक की कैपेसिटेंस कितनी हो जाएगी 3 C. सो हमारे पास A टू P 3 कैपेसिटर्स है विच आर इन पैरेलल. सो मैं लिखूंगी नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स इन AP. नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स इन AP विल बी 3. सो देयर इक्विवेलेंस कैपेसिटेंस, सो CEQ will be equal to 3C. correct. That let us give this C1. okay. now अब आगे अगर हम देखें इसे B से कितनी ब्रांचेस डेवलप हो रही हैं. सो B से भी हम देख रहे हैं 3 ब्रांच डेवलप हो रही. सो दे आर इन पैरेलल. सो लेट अस सपोज दैट दिस इज पॉइंट Q, B2Q. ये भी B2Q है और ये भी B2Q है. करेक्ट. सो B से Q 3 कैपेसिटर्स जो हैं दे आर इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. सो नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर through B2Q points are 3. So their equivalence resistance, let us suppose C2 will be 3C itself. correct. Now all other capacitors, let us just try to find anyone, है ना. यहाँ पर देखें, this capacitor is link between P2Q, this capacitor is link between P2Q, this capacitor is link between P2Q. Similarly, this capacitor is linked between P2Q. So any other capacitors, they are linked between P2Q. So how many are there? Let us count. So they are total 12 edges होती हैं 3 edges पे, है ना. 3 capacitors थे, B2Q भी 3, तो जो बचे हुए 6 हैं. You can count also. So हमारे पास P2Q number of capacitors in P2Q will be 6. So their capacitance will be equal to, and they are also parallel. So C equivalence will be, let us suppose they are C3 is 6 times of C. Now let us draw the equivalent diagram. So over here we can draw point A connected to C1, then point P is connected to Q, है ना. You can see P is connected to Q with C3 and Q is connected to B with C2 capacitance, C2 equivalence capacitance. So over here this is 3C, this is 6C and this is 3C. They all are in series combination. और अगर series combination है तो equivalence capacitance होगा 1 by CEQ will be equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. That will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now let us take 6 as a LCM. So this will become 2 plus 1 plus 2. That will be 5 by 6 5 by 6 and everything is in C capacitance है ना. 1 by C1 is 3C. We can write 3C, 6C and 3C. So this will be 5 by 6 times of C. Okay. So now we can write the equivalence capacitance as C equivalence will be 6 by 5 times of C. And this is our final answer. 6 by 5 times of C is option A. So option A is the correct one. I hope this is clear to you, student. Thank you.